Hey, Coach Greg here with Flab Training, and today we have 5 exercises to get rid of bat wings. We are going to tighten and tone the back of our arms. We can use some dumbbells if you'd like. You can use water bottles, whatever you want, but we're just going to add a little more resistance. So let's get to it. So without further ado, let's get started with our first bat wing destroying arm exercise. We have some lateral arm rotations. Again, feel free to use a lightweight. I have some 3-pounders. You can use water bottles, or you can just do body weight. I will show the different variations. But for this first exercise, we have our arms extended to the side, where it's focusing on having palms down and then rotating palms up. We want our pinkies to face the sky, just like this. And I kind of bring my elbows in slightly, allows me to rotate my arms over a little bit. My knees are slightly bent. Even though we're working on our arms, it's a whole body thing. You want your core tight, just like this. So we got 30 seconds, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. I'm gonna get my weights, boom, just rotating over. You're gonna feel it in your triceps, in your shoulders. You should not feel any pinching. There should be like it should be a little like tense, right? Because you're stretching your muscles, but there shouldn't be any pain. If there is, stop what you're doing. You should also change the angle to be more of a 45 instead of that 90. I know sometimes people have shoulder pain from here, but if you go here, boom, nothing. 3, 2, 1, and down. Great job. Next, we have monkey pumps. Coach Mero loves this one. I hate it because my arms are not flexible enough, but the name of the game, we're trying to get our elbows in line with our eyebrows. We're up here, meeting at the top, open, extending overhead, just like that. You really want to squeeze, see if you can get your elbows as close together as they can. Again, maybe you're more flexible than me and these are easy, but you're gonna feel it all up in your arms. It's amazing. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Boom, overhead. Turn to the side for you. Really squeeze. You don't have to go fast with these because your arms are gonna be on fire, just like mine are right now. Now, if weights are too much for you, drop them. Go to body weight, just like this, come on. The goal is to push ourselves. We want to start adding a little more resistance to our trainings. It helps build stronger bones, stronger bodies, helps you in the long run. 3, 2, 1, and down. Next, we have W's. This is fun. This is going to be focusing more on your back muscles. You want your arms in a W position, just like this. And we're just trying to squeeze our back together. It's a very slight movement. I was like, moment? It's a slight moment. Just like this, boom. But you really want to squeeze and feel it in the back of your shoulder blades right there. Again, with weights, without weights, whatever you want. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. So we're here, boom. Seems like I'm not doing anything, but my back feels it. And my bat wings are like, no, don't get rid of us. Like, sorry, got to. Here it is, come on, keep it going. And even just holding weights up in this position, it's gonna fatigue your arms out. It's gonna get you nice and sore. Gonna tone it all up. There it is, couple more seconds here. 3, 2, 1, and down. Great job, drop the weights. Shake out your arms. We got 2 more exercises to go. I know you're tired already, but we are gonna crush it. This will be a little easier, but we have tricep pulses. You're just hinging from your hips, back is flat, core is tight, arms are gonna extend out behind you. We're just focusing on pulsing, just like this. You're gonna keep your tricep locked in this whole time frame, and add weights, and you're good to go. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. I like to have my palms facing up. You can have it more of a hammer position where palms are facing each other. Here, you can try it backwards. This one's a little harder if the palms are facing down, but do whatever one works for you. And you don't need these huge, big movements. It just needs to be from your hip pocket, a little long back right here. Stay locked in, and you good. 3, 2, 1, and down. Oh, we are feeling it. Next and last, we have front raises. This is always fun. You're gonna feel it all up in the front here, in the back of your arms. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So bring palms up, or palms down, I should say, arms up. just like this. Keep that core tight. Sometimes we feel like just throwing our arms up, but it should be your whole body from the ground up, as I always say. Boom, strong, stable base. Through from the side, as you can see, back is flat, core is tight, knees are slightly bent, giving me a nice stable position. Control the descent. We're not trying to drop everything. There it is. 3, 2, 1, and down. That is your 5 exercises to get rid of your bat wings. Grab Swan if you need to. We have 2 more sets. I'm gonna stop talking, music's going up, we're gonna have some fun. So here we go. Lateral arm rotations, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
All right, keep twisting those arms. You're doing amazing. You got this. Three, 2, 1, down. Monkey pumps, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, down. W's, 3, 2, 1, go. Feel free to drop the weight if you need to. Just use your body weight, that's plenty. Three, 2, 1, down. Tricep pulse, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, up. Front raise, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, down. Great job. Second set is done. My arms are already tired, but we have 1 more to go. And also feel free to do some of the exercises with weights, some without, all with, whatever you want. It is your show. Go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Come on, last set, best set, baby. Three, 2, 1, down. Monkey pumps, 3, 2, 1, go. Get those elbows to your eyebrows. My arms are so tired, but we got this. Come on. Three, 2, 1, down. W's, 3, 2, 1, go. Couple more exercises and your bat wings will be gone. 3, 2, 1, down. Tricep pulse. 3, 2, 1, go. Keep pushing, keep going, you got this. Three, 2, 1, up. Front raise. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, down. And there you have it. That is your 5 exercises to get rid of bat wings. Give yourself one of these and one of these because you earned it, my friend. Thank you so much for joining me on this workout. That one was tough for me. I don't know about y'all. Also, leave a comment. Let me know. Do you want me to add a little, I don't know, what do you call them? Disclaimers in the beginning of like the intensity level of my workouts, because I feel like some of the workouts I do are super easy, some of them are a little tougher. So I know some of y'all want that challenge. Other of you guys are like, no. So let me know, leave comments, and if I get enough of that, I'll make sure I start adding a little more like easy, medium, hard, or whatever you guys want. I just want to make sure I'm, again, making workouts for you guys. A lot of you guys have been saying you want more weighted exercises and workouts. So you asked, I'm delivering. But again, we just want to make sure we are in this together. But if you haven't already, also click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping from Coach Mayor, Coach Gabby, and myself. Without further ado, I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.